In this tutorial, I will show you how to change account location in Roblox in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, open any of the browser and search for roblox.com and log into your account. After this, from the top right corner, click on gear icon and then click on settings. Now you will be in account info tab. Just scroll down and click on help. Now click on Roblox account. Here search for account location and from suggestions click on account location. Here scroll down until you find how do I change my account location. After this click on the link just below it. Here you have to provide account information and issue details. At first type your username, then first name and then provide email address and also confirm your email address. After this in issue details click on device type and select your device. Then click on help category item and scroll down and click on how to. After this, click on help subcategory type and then click on how to change my location. Then describe your issue like I want to change my account location. It is showing my wrong location. My actual location is United States and if needed, I can provide document to prove it. After this, click on continue and wait. Roblox team will contact you in couple of days, so keep an eye on your email. So that's how you can change account location in Roblox in just few easy steps.